Excuse me, sunshine.
Testing, testing. I have an adequately sized, uncircumcised penis. Penis, penis, and smashing syllables.
Whoa, 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 whoa! Say again, whoa! What are you doing? The mic's not prepped yet.
Right. Now it's ready.
Thanks.
Cowboys.
Sorry, guys.
True. I can see you're nervous. Pretend like nobody's watching you, you know. Connect with something powerful and emotive deep down. In my case, that's little Lonnie. In your case, it might be something different. Just imagine yourself completely alone with something that you love.
Okay.